If it didn't grow, a machinist touched it, meaning somebody made the mold for the rubber soles on your shoes, and that person was a machinist. The car you drive, the airplane you fly in, all those things have machined parts on them, so we have our hands in everything.
There's a huge demand in our area for machinists. We hire them right out of the Bellingham Technical College's program. We actually are sending a current employee here for the machining program and paying for their tuition. And it works wonderful with their schedule. At Bellingham Technical College, our competency-based education is really an extremely flexible schedule. You can go at your speed. I'm not telling you which project you have to do and when. That's up to you. We're going to be open from 8 o'clock in the morning till 8 p.m. That's going to fit into someone's schedule. And you can take as many classes you'd like. You can take the whole program, or you can take portions of it, whatever works best for the student. I'm seeing a student population that I didn't see before. I'm seeing people who are working full-time jobs, single parents. They can come to school when their kid's in school.
High school was pretty tough for me, so I just didn't even want to continue. So I found out about the Impact program here at BTC and then got my GED through that. My plan was just to get my GED and start working right away wherever. But after, stepping on the stage, getting my GED in front of my family and friends, it just felt so amazing. Like, I did this and I can keep going.
At Timken, I originally worked on the assembly line as a warehouse coordinator. I felt like I had hit a ceiling. I wanted to do more and I wanted more room to grow. I ended up looking into the program at BTC. I've been able to work in the machine shop as well as go to school for machining at the same time, which has created more of a jump start into my career than I otherwise would have had.
I chose this program because it's very hands-on and I enjoy working with big machinery. It's really fun and it feels awesome knowing how to operate the machinery. You're using your creative side quite a bit, and I just really love that about this program. My grandpa was a machinist for years and he worked for Boeing, and I kind of want to follow in his footsteps and work for Boeing. He's always like, "What'd you make this week?" or "Let me see it."
We are all very connected here, and anyone that's coming in is always welcomed. It's super accessible, and you are definitely supported in this program. The instructors are amazing. All of them have helped me. I highly recommend this program to anyone who wants to get into a technical job like machining. Doing this type of program where I'm able to schedule my own time and do things at my own pace has helped a lot in allowing me to also have time outside of school and work to enjoy life.
It's preparing me for a good future where I'll be financially stable and happy every day doing what I enjoy.
The students that come out of this program make me so proud.
I actually look for it on the resumes when I have a job opening. If I see BTC on that resume, I know that they have the training and the skills that they need to immediately enter industry.
Our goal in the machining program is to give you the skills you want on your schedule.
Just give it a shot. It never hurts to just try. You might end up really loving it. I am so happy where I'm at right now, and I want to continue going with it.